Hello, fellow hair loss people. So this is my day 140, week 20 update video. So in my last video, you guys had commented that you wanted to see my actual hairline and see a close-up of it. So I'm going to do the best that I can. So starting off with my strong side, let's take a deep dive in. So this is my strong side, as you know, which has been healing a little bit better than the other side. You can see right along my hairline, this is how it is starting to look. So looking deep at it, you can see that there's kind of irregularities in the hairline. Not all the hairs are perfectly straight, and that's kind of what you want to see in a hairline. When hairs come out and they're a little bit too straight, it looks very unnatural. So having kind of this inconsistency is what you really look for. So looking in, there's something sparkly in my hair, but looking in, this is how my hair looks. You can see the density is pretty good. Seeing as I'm about 4.5 months, it should continue to get a little bit denser. You can see looking in straight in, it was native hair that was in here. So it's native hair mixed with a couple of transplanted hairs that went in here, but over to the side, I never had hair there before, so this is all transplanted hairs that's up in there. Looking at my weaker side now, weaker side still struggling a little bit, but it is truly getting better. Again, you can see the irregularities in my hairline there, and there. And that is kind of what you want to see, because otherwise, again, it just doesn't look very natural. So this is this side. You can see kind of right in here, not as much growth as I want, but it should still continue to improve over time. Again, I'm at 4.5 months. I'm told density after the 6-month mark, like 6 to 8 months, it'll continue to get more dense. But this is the foot outlook. This is how it's looking. And then quick story time. I did see my folks and cousins and aunts and uncles and everyone for July 4th this past weekend. My cousin's husband was saying that he's like, I guess said something to my fiance about how I look different. Then my fiance was like, oh, it's because he had a hair transplant. And he, I guess, called it back at Easter. He saw how red my head was, and he's a bald guy, so it was something that he had looked into at one point, so he kind of knew what to look for. Other than that, my other cousins said that they didn't realize that I got a hair transplant. They were all kind of surprised, but everyone was saying how good I looked. So again, it just made me feel more and more like I made the right decision. But this is my my update, and if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to comment down below, like, and subscribe for all my future updates. Thank you, guys.